Mapagpalang araw mga kababayan, isa na naman kaabang-abang na kwento ang ating masasaksihan sa araw na ito sa mundo ng boxing.
Nakakatamaan po. Oh!
Sakit ang araw.
Big hook to the body. Oh, and again. Right hook to the body from Ador Torres. Not phased.
Isa sa Pinoy ang sakit ng ulo ng mga Thailander ang tinaguriang The Terminator, ang Bicolano boxer at ABF champion na si Ador Torres. Hindi man gaanong kilala si Torres dito sa Pinas, pero sa bansang Thailand ay nangingibabaw ang pangalan nito at tirador ng mga Thai boxer dahil 7 Thai fighter na ang sunod-sunod na ninakaw ni Torres. Kaya madalas nakunin ito para ipagtapat at makabawi ang mga Thai fighter sa Pinoy. Ngunit humahandusay lang naman ito sa lona. Samantala si Ador Torres ay may record na sa kasalukuyan na 12 wins, 4 losses at 8 knockouts. Isang southpaw at tubong Magdalena Sorsogon at lumalaban sa welterweight division. Si Torres ay dating lumalaban sa middleweight division bago ito bumaba ng 2 dibisyon at nanatili sa welterweight. Kaya may kabigatan din ang kamao nito na kapag tumama ng solid, tiyak bagsak ang kalaban. Samantala, October 26, 2022 nang dumayo ang ating kababayan sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Thai fighter na si Urapon Jessa Dajin Dawat. Sa round 3 ay nainip na si Torres, gusto nang tapusin ang laban kaya nagpakawala ito ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon at sa pagkakataong ito ay tumama ang right uppercut ni Torres na nagpayuko sa Thai boxer. Ngunit nagdalawang isip si Torres na bakbakan kaya nakaiwas pa ang Thai boxer.
ก่อนครับบุกเข้าไปหมัดซ้ายต้องถามใจอดอร์ทอร์เรสแล้วครับตอนนี้ถามใจเขาแล้วครับว่าจะเอาถึงน็อกไหมต่อยซ้ายเข้าหน้าโอ้โหลำตัวสลับไปหน้าแต่ว่ายังยิ้มได้นะครับทางด้านของสถานภพครับ
Sa round 4 ay nakipagpalitan ng suntok ang Thai boxer. Sa lakas ng suntok ng Pinoy ay halos mabalibag ang Thai boxer.
แม่เริ่มจะมีขึ้นมาแล้วครับสถานภพครับหลังจากที่มึนๆซึมๆไปเมื่อปลายยกที่แล้วครับ
Dito tinamaan ng left overhand na sinundan ng right upper, bagsak ang Thai boxer. Panalo si Torres via 4th round technical knockout. Matapos lang ng isang buwan, November 30, 2022, ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Thai fighter na si Dairin Sikmuang na pinabagsak ng Pinoy ng 2 beses at tinapos sa loob lang ng unang round.
แพ้4เสมอ2ครั้งนะครับส่วนทางด้านชกมา8ครั้งชนะ2แพ้6ครับ2หนักครับมาปลุกให้ทางด้านของ
Dito nagulat ang Thai boxer sa lakas ng kamao ng Pinoy nang tamaan ng right overhand na nagresulta ng pagbagsak nito. Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ay nagpakawala si Torres ng kaliwat kanang jab sa katawan na sundan ng right uppercut na pumapos sa Thai boxer. Panalo si Torres via 1st round technical knockout. Samantala, isang buwan lang din ang pagitan. December 28, 2022, ay muling napalaban si Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang isa na naman Thai fighter na si Nichaya Kaiwa Sep. Nakataya sa laban ang bakanting ABF welterweight title. Sa round 2 ay tamang hintay lang si Torres para makounter ang Thai boxer, kaya sa pagbato nito ng kanan ay sagad nitong naiwasan, sabay sa ilalim si Torres at binigyan ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon sa katawan. Bagsak ang Thai boxer. Agad naman itong tumayo at gil na makabawi sa Pinoy.
มีอะไรหรือเปล่าครับแม่ในช่วงปลายยกครับ10 วินาทีสุดท้ายโดนหมัดขวาอีกแล้วครับไก่วิชิตวิชยาไก่วิเศษนะครับตัวดักเข้ามาหมดยกครับหมดยกขยับเข้าไปโอ้โหแลกกันแล้วบวกกันแล้ว
Sa round 3 ay dito binakbakan ng Pinoy ang Thai boxer na sinalo ng mukha nito ang mga suntok at kung kaya't nabilangan nito ng referee.
ครับวิชยาโอ้โหรัวๆนะครับรัวหมัดชุดนะครับอดอร์ทอร์เรสรัวหมัดชุด
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ay patuloy ding sinasalo ng Thai boxer ang mga suntok ng Pinoy.
สายเต็มหน้าเอาตบซ้ายโอ้โหดูครับมีแกว่งครับปัดนี้โอ้โหพิชยาหุกซ้ายเข้าลำตัวโอ้ยังทนได้ไม่
Sa round 4, ay muling binakbakan ni Torres ang Thai boxer. Dahil sa nagugulpi lang at patuloy na pagsalo ng suntok ng Thai, ay minabuti ng referee na itigil na ang laban.
ซ้ายเต็มหน้าครับ
Panalo si Torres via 4th round technical knockout at matagumpay na nakuha ni Torres ang ABF belt. Samantala, April 27, 2023, ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres para depensahan ang hawak nitong ABF belt na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Pirapong Pitweng. Sa round 2 ay puntirya talaga ni Torres ang katawan ng Thai boxer.
Jab to the body from Ador Torres and getting on the inside. Good right hook and then left hand. Pirapong switching to southpaw, so that's a telltale sign that shows that the body work early on from the previous exchange. Definitely not liking that, wincing again. Hard body shot from...
Dito, tinamaan ng right hand sa tagiliran ng Thai boxer na nagresulta ng pagluhod nito.
Swear Ador Torres places his foot. Well, there you go. Swear Ador Torres places his foot. Well, there you go. There you go, right hand, right hook to the body there. And Ador Torres needs to get to the neutral corner. He wants to run straight in.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ay di tinantanan ni Torres ang katawan nito kung kaya't napayakap na lang ang Thai boxer sa Pinoy para mapigilan ang pag-atake nito. Agad naman na inawat ni ref ang dalawa.
Again, Ador Torres looping that hook to the body and the uppercut too. Lots of body shots being used by Ador Torres, just placing the shots really, not winding them up.
Ngunit sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ayaw talagang tantanan ni Torres ang katawan nito, kaya napayuko na lang ito at humikot ng hangin. Agad naman na binilangan ng Thai boxer.
Time in this round, jab to the body, jab to the head from Ador Torres, and Pirapong shying away from his opponent and getting another knockdown. Then the referee is no. Good body work here from Ador Torres.
Sa round 3, ay ayaw talagang paawat ng Pinoy, muling binakbakan ng katawan ng Thai boxer. Dahilan ng pagbagsak nito, kaya't itinigil na ni ref ang laban.
Right up, right hook to the body from Ador Torres. Not phased at all.
Panalo si Torres via 3rd round technical knockout. Matapos lang ang 2 buwan, June 29, 2023, ay muling napalaban si Ador Torres sa bansang Thailand, na kung saan hinarap niya dito isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Sakda Langkabang. Didepensahan ni Torres ang hawak nitong ABF belt. Sa round 2 ay nakipagsabayan ng Thai boxer sa Pinoy.
Left hand. Left hand as well, down the right hand. Saito still hanging in there. Right hook connects there for Ador Torres. A big barrage of punches there from Ador Torres. Saito firing back with his own though.
Sa pag-atake ni Torres ay todo cover ang Thai boxer. Isang solid right hand ang pinatama ni Torres sa pagiliran na nagpaluhod sa Thai fighter.
Jab. Big hook to the body there and Sakdar is down.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ay inulit lang din ni Torres ang ginawa nito. Isang solid right hand ang muling pinatama nito sa tagiliran na nagpabagsak muli sa Thai boxer. Kaya't itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
Okay, so and again, right hook to the body and referee wave.
Panalo si Torres via 2nd round technical knockout. Samantala, matapos ang 3 buwan, September 28, 2023, ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres, na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Thai fighter na si Pantawit Chupiron, o mas kilala bilang si Detritsit Saitong. Ito ang pangatlong pagdepensa ni Torres sa hawak niyang ABF belt. Sa round 1, ay pinakitaan ng Pinoy na kaya niyang ilaga ng mga suntok nito.
And you can tell that Ador Torres is very experienced. She's just
Sa round 2 ay nakipagsabayan si Pinoy, ang Thai boxer.
as Ador Torres slightly tough. Adol Torres just pouring out on his feet, the Filipino fighter. Right hook to the body there, left straight from Torres as well. So here we go, there's that just touching away and landing with power.
Dito ay di nagawang iwasan ng Thai boxer ang isang liver shot na sinundan ng left uppercut at kasunod na right hand na tumama sa tagiliran. Bulagta ang Thai boxer.
It's Detrius upper body and there you go, Detrius down with a body shot. It doesn't look like it's
Dahil sa tindi ng tama, ay di na nagawang makatayo pa ng Thai boxer, kaya't itinigil na ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Ador Torres via second round knockout na natiling AVF champion. Samantala, ito lamang March 28, 2024 ay balik Thailand si Ador Torres na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang isa na namang Thai fighter na si Wanpichit Siripana, ang Thai boxer na nagtatakang agawin ng titulo ng ating kababayan. At ito ang pang-apat na pagkakataon na didepensahan ng ating pambato ang hawak nitong AVF belt. Sa round 1 ay matapang na nakikipagsabay ng Thai boxer at sa ating pambato.
Hand of his own, and he not trying to show too much of their hand early on. Wanpichit throws a big looping right hand into the ring, and Wanpichit throws a 7-jab combination move. He did not react as he throws a body shot of his own and eats a right hand from Wanpichit on the side of the head. And a nice combination landed by Ador Torres, and he allows his opponent to get a reset. And a right hand downstairs by Wanpichit, which Ador Torres. And Ador needs to be very careful and give some flicks out the jab. Wanpichit is just looking for that charging action, trying to blitz his opponent.
Sa round 2 ay walang takot ang Thai boxer at nakikipagbakbakan ito sa Pinoy.
Nice left hand by Wanpichit. And Wanpichit throwing haymaker after haymaker. And Ador Torres has had right hand upstairs by Wanpichit. And a right uppercut as well between the guards. Personal is at his disadvantage. He needs to just use his range. Ador Torres has no reason to take these shots off. Ador now uses a nice move of dragging the guard down of Wanpichit to throw a left hand. He throws. A nice 1-2 landed by Ador Torres. Wanpichit wants to make this a slugfest, and Ador Torres' leg on the outside of theirs because it allows you to leg. And a nice double jab landed by Ador Torres. Wanpichit to fight fire with fire. Ador Torres move rather than waiting for an
Sa round 3, dito nagumpisa ng bubugin ni Torres ang pambato ng Thailand.
much better combination and activity. Ador Torres now holds center of the ring and flippage of Wanpichit. And exactly what Ador Torres needs to do. Throwing that jab out a lot more confidently. Ador Torres just dangerous in the pocket. Wanpichit now got his opponent on the ropes. Ador Torres to throw a big right hand of his own. Wanpichit in his tracks. And Ador Torres now exactly what he needs to do. 10 seconds of round number 3. Ador Torres boxing beautifully, jabbing perfectly as he swings for the fences. Again, dancing around with that nice jab, flicking out combination. Will be looking very carefully if he keeps eating jabs. Ador Torres with a nice combination, and he needs to do something because this referee is looking very closely here. Wanpichit now needs to come alive, and a beautiful right hand downstairs. Ador Torres now has Wanpichit where he wants him. He needs to just keep bullying Wanpichit right now, just constantly throwing combinations. Ador needs to just be active and keep.
Sa round 4 ay makikitang naubusan na ng hangin ng Thai boxer, kaya puro swing na ang mga suntok nito at lahat ng suntok ng Pinoy ay sinasalon ng mukha ng Thai boxer.
Very nice in these later rounds.
อาศัยจังหวะนะครับอดอลทอเรสครับวนซ้ายทีขวาที
Juan Pachit leaning on his opponent.
ไม่ยอมให้ก่อน
And I'm not sure this is enough because Adol Torres
Nakita ni Ref na tila lasing na ang kanyang kababayan at nabubugbog lang, kaya itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
referee looking for a reason to now step in, I believe, because Juan Pachit, although dangerous, isn't doing anything to defend himself against these shots. Do not give the referee a reason, and like I
Panalo si Ador Torres via 4th round technical knockout. Hanggang sa muli mga kababayan, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po. God bless!